Hello everyone. So today we're going to see what's inside this LG DVD player. I am Malothro Mena. My roll number is 21GG20002. This is for my DIY course assignment 3. So first we will check if this is in working condition. Let's switch on the power button. So as you can see, the disc tray is coming out. So I think this is in good working condition. Now let's start with the disassembly. We'll remove these two screws. Now we will remove this back cover. Now you can see inside it. We'll now try to remove this front piece. I have removed this front piece. Inside the DVD player, we can see there are 4 basic components. This is the microprocessor board, this is the power supply board, and this is the drive system, beneath which there is the laser arrangement. So we'll look at the power supply board first. The power comes through this, and there are 2 fuses here which protect this board. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 diodes which act as bridge rectifier to convert this AC into DC current, and this is also a safety capacitor. And this one inductor and this capacitor together, they act to reduce the noises coming from this high frequency power supply. This here is a transformer which steps down the voltage. So this is the basic components of this board. And now we will look at the microprocessor board. This one is the central processing chip unit, and this one is the video and audio processing chip. I think this one is a memory chip which stores the programs, and this one is the motor controller chip, and this one is the clock chip which synchronizes all the motion in this whole setup. And now we will look at the basic components of this drive system. So I think here there are 2 motors, this one and this one motor here, and this one rotates the disc, and this one motor, using the number of gears, converts the rotational motion, as you can see here, converts rotational motion of the motor to linear motion to move this laser arrangement. So this is the basic system of drive system, and this here is the diode. So this part is the laser arrangement, this part moving. This laser diode shines light to the light reflector, and which goes through a lens to the DVD, and the DVD shines back light, reflects light back, which is collected by a light reflector inside, light collector inside, and that light collector sends the data as electric impulses back through this wire to the central processing unit, and from this central processing unit it is sent to this video processing chip, which processes the data and turns it into signal which the TV or the stereo can understand. So this is the basic working principle. And now we will reassemble this DVD. So we will now reassemble this DVD player. So I have reassembled this. Now we will check if it is still working. So the DVD is still working, DVD player is still working. Thank you.